All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody's doing well. And I apologize about the lighting. It's a little bit late in the evening here in upstate South Carolina. I just finished up working. As you guys know, we've been working really hard trying to get everything ready for our summer trip out west. So the girls are going this year, and we wanted to get the side-by-side ready. I did a windshield. That's really all I needed to do: windshield, roof, and mirrors. And all that went well, and I got to thinking, you know, somebody out there might be stuck, or we might get stuck, and maybe we should do a winch. So I did a little bit of research, and a long time ago I had saw a video of Highway 68 Motorsports doing a winch install on something. I think it was a Ranger, Polaris Ranger maybe. Anyway, super easy. So I dug around, I found that old video, and just so happened they had a new video doing a Honda Pioneer. I don't know if I think it was a 1000, but anyway, I know this is different for the channel. A lot of you guys don't have a side-by-side or don't give a rip about them. But if you do, or if you're thinking about getting one or know somebody that does, I had a great, excellent experience installing this winch. I was shocked. I didn't believe it. It took me about 30 minutes, 25, 30 minutes. First time I've ever done it. I was going to video it, but I was busy that day, and I had been working a lot. But I was like, I'm going to see if I can throw this winch on there. So I wanted to show you guys how easy it is. Drop a link below for this winch just in case you ever want one, an affiliate link. I'll try to find the one that I bought. It's very fairly priced, 4,500 pound, a Minnesota company, Kolpin, synthetic rope winch. What's cool about it, it's all integrated. It comes with the mounting plate. So let me just go ahead and show you guys. I won't make this a super long video. I just wanted you guys to know about it in case somebody needs to know. So basically this bumper is held on by these two bolts and that one on both sides, and this whole bumper sets off. You set this bumper flat down on the ground on a piece of cardboard. You put 1, 2, 3 bolts, holds the winch bracket and the roller fair lead. You got this mounting plate bolts to the factory location. It goes on the outside of the frame, and the bumper goes on the inside. And it sets on there. You got 2 wires that go up to the battery. Nothing to it. I just routed them right up through there with some zip ties. There's a factory hole they come out of. I'll show you guys. And super impressed with it. So I ran the positive and negative right up through this factory hole here. I don't know if that's what it was made for, but that's what it showed in the instructions. Negative, positive. This wiring harness right down in here is basically all there is to it. You unplug the factory accessory plug for the cigarette lighter, and it has a little harness that goes in line with that. One wire that hooks to the, well, you have 3 wires that hook to the rocker switch here. It has a factory knockout right there, one of those. So you knock this one out, put that on there, drill a 1-inch hole right there and 2 screws, and that harness tees in with this one right here. I just ran it right down along the factory frame rail, and 1 wire hooks to the winch. So basically the winch, the solenoid comes on it. It's already mounted to it, and you don't have to do anything but hook 1 wire to that, and your rocker switch and your remote. It has this really nice remote, long lead on it. That was really nice. It came with that. But yeah, guys, super impressed with it, man. I just wanted to share it with you guys because I thought, well, so there might be 1 or 2 of my followers that have a Pioneer, and I think they make it for Polaris, Can-Am, Yamaha maybe. You just have to do a little bit of research, but I'll definitely go down in the description and drop a link for this one where I got it from Amazon, and share that with you guys, and that'll help the channel a little if you want one. But I was like, I gotta share this. I know it's late. I've been working all day, and I thought, it's all done, let me show those guys. So you guys make sure and follow along on the channel. We've got the little T-dubs almost done. I got Cody's pretty much ready, and mine's ready. Cody has to get a tag from where it got stolen. And this year we'll be we won't be in central Idaho this year. We'll be on the Wyoming-Idaho border at our new little mining claim out there. Getting really excited about that. Not to mine really, but just to ride and let the girls ride and see the Tetons and just go out there and have a good time. So looking forward to that. I got a Will It Run video coming for Cody's bike. where the meth heads took it or whatever. But anyway, I'll get this video shared up with you guys. And if you like what you see, go down there, hit that like button, and think about subbing to the channel. And I appreciate you guys following along, riding along with us, and we'll catch you on the next one, guys. Take care.